Hi, I'm Ryan with Tri-Van Truck Body, and today I'm showcasing a vehicle that we've just built for a large municipal utility, Los Angeles Department of Water and Power. It's a mobile recruitment office. This vehicle's full-time job is to attend job fairs and different events and try to hire new people to come work for the organization. So it's set up as a mobile recruiting office. Now, it's not completely done yet. The customer does plan to put a very fancy graphics decal package on it. But for now, it's far along enough that I can show you a few details about it. So check it out. The first thing that you can't really see, but it's there, is actually a flat screen TV in behind the glass. So when that door opens and closes, LA Department of Water and Power can have a message broadcasting out of that side door. So inside the van, applicants can step inside. They can take a seat and wait while they're waiting to fill out their paperwork or to apply. The staff can sit in this area and they can help applicants come inside and fill out paperwork. There's TVs, there's monitors, there's screens, there's power, and it's all done in a climate controlled area. We have air conditioning, insulation, really good lighting, LED lighting, a very comfortable setting, whether it's cold outside, freezing cold, or warm. It's completely climate controlled. Behind me is something kind of unique. This is the Dep't Smart PX. Basically, it's a bank of lithium ion batteries with an inverter system that takes the place of a much larger generator. So this vehicle can have the air conditioning blasting. The engine of the truck can be turned off, and this vehicle can be completely self-sufficient without any generator producing emissions or a truck engine producing emissions for 8 to 10 hours, all done through this Smart PX system. There's controls for that behind these doors, and this is a great way to get applicants in off the street and applying for a job. This vehicle is set up with Starlink as well, so we have it's a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and it's going to have internet access. So really, truly a self-contained mobile field office. Here's the control screen for the Dep't auxiliary power system. Very straightforward. You have a battery percentage. And this vehicle can operate with everything running on the inside. The lights, the heaters, the plugs, the switches can be running for 10 to 12 hours until this battery gets drained. At the end of the day, you plug the truck in using a regular extension cord or a EV charger like on a Tesla, and it brings the charge back up to 100% in anywhere from 10 hours using a regular cord down to 2 hours with a smart charge. All of our circuits are managed here by a good quality Blue Sea Systems panel. We have our 120 breakers and our 12-volt breakers, and it's all kept in a very simple, user-friendly cabinet here at the back of the vehicle. On the inside of the side door, we have a Samsung 32-inch flat panel TV, and it's facing the outside of the vehicle. And what's cool about it is that you can broadcast any messaging you want to the public, whether the door is open or closed. Let's open it up, and the TV just opens and closes with the door. One thing you can't beat about a Tri-Van build is just the quality of the cabinetry. This is not wimpy stuff. It's aluminum, and it's very low-tech and basic. I mean, this stuff holds up well. We have a simple spring system that allows us to close these doors. This is all aluminum. The back of the cabinet covers the curvature of the inside of the van. The counters are all aluminum. And check out these drawers. These are 250-pound slides, and everything just is designed and built to last for decades and decades. The flooring itself is a spray-on bed liner, so if you got lots of foot traffic in here, you can hose this thing and mop this thing out no problem. So it's really designed for years and years of use. The lining on the wall is just regular aluminum over top of insulation, and we use good quality components for our electrical, our lighting, our plugs, our switches. So everything is meant for a long-term perspective. Also worth mentioning is that we've got a surface-mounted wiring chase that allows you to run cabling for radios or computers or data lines. You pop these covers off and you can run wiring to any one part of the truck, now or in the future. So it's designed for today's needs with the flexibility of adding for tomorrow as well. Just in case you were wondering how the remote batteries, the auxiliary power system charges up, we've got a regular 120-volt plug here. An extension cord will recharge the house batteries. We also have an EV charger, like what you would charge your your Tesla or EV vehicle with for a much quicker recharge of the lithium-ion batteries. And this over here is a standard 30 amp shore power, like what you would have at a campsite. So all in all, this vehicle is completely self-contained. It's got a power awning as well, I should mention. Creates a very friendly atmosphere to invite job applicants. But I think this would be a great vehicle for different applications. Command vehicle, mobile field office, you name it. It was all designed and built at Tri-Van Truck Body here in Ferndale, Washington. Give us a call. Check us out online, trivan.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.